Question: are you lacking a plan to boost sales for your eBay store? I've been watching many videos online and going through the comment sections. And what I have found to be the common theme is that people are stressed over slow sales. Most people have the same questions all the time. I don't know what to buy. I don't know what to focus on. I have 1,000 listings and my sales are still slow. What can I do to change that? If you feel this way, you don't have to worry because Resellutions gives you real solutions. In this video, I will lay out a 7-step plan that will last through fourth quarter so you can finish off the year strong. Stay with me until the end because I will provide an easy goals list that will be shown on screen and placed in the description below to make it clear on how you can make more money. The process is not easy and will require hard work and dedication on your part, but it has worked for me and many others in our space. This can work for you too.
Man, you got me all riled up. I kind of want to open my own store now.
That's the plan, Bruce. That's the plan. Mind you, none of what I'm about to say is news to anyone. This is what you hear all the time in different videos from different people. But hardly anyone puts it together in a neat little package. Only 7 steps. I was planning on selling an expanded version of this digital download as part of my YouTube business, but instead I'm giving it to you for free. All I ask is that you consider becoming a paid subscriber to the channel when this test is over, if it works for you, at the end of the year. With your support, I can keep evolving Resellutions into somewhat of an academy for all to learn. Together, we can all succeed. Let's get to it. Step 1. Get rid of inventory that is over 2 years old or older. Preferably 1 to 1.5 years old, but I know how impactful a move like this can be. I don't want you to stress out and call me a crazy man.
Sounds scary.
Nah. Getting rid of old shit that never sells is a great way to increase your store's overall sell-through rate. This will be the first big impact on your store. Let me add though, do this in chunks. If you find that you have to get rid of half your store, then do it in 5% increments every couple of days or so. This will signal to the algorithm that you're not crazy and are doing this purposefully. And of course, this is just what I think based on previous tests of mine. I don't work for eBay and I'm not 100% sure that's how the algorithm works, but it has worked for me in the past. Step 2, research and select 3 to 5 categories to sell in. The max is 5 and that's not really ideal, but 3 is better. You are allowed 5 on this plan so you don't freak out the first few days that you don't find anything to buy.
Why wouldn't they find anything to buy?
Because when you have stringent rules, you quickly see that a lot of your previous purchases were not very good. You tend to find less items until you get better at sourcing. You need to focus on specific categories of items like electronics, men's apparel and accessories, health and beauty, shoes, toys, etc., just to name a few. This will help you streamline your sourcing, listing, and storage efforts. Here's how you do it. Analyze market trends using eBay's completed listings to see what items sell for consistently. Just start searching for random items and sort by most recently sold or by price point. Or even better, if you have been in business for a while, then you have the upper hand over newbies. You already know what sells for you and where to find it. Stick to the top 3 to 5 categories that sell fastest and consistently. Use at least 1 year's worth of data if available. The reason you do this is because 1 year goes through all selling seasons, from springtime short shorts to winter clothing. It's an excellent way to gauge what will sell. You can also use tools like eBay Product Research, formerly labeled but still called Terapeak, to identify niches with high demand and low competition. Preferably choose a niche that aligns with your interests or areas where you can build expertise. This is a must, so you don't burn out or give up when things get hard or boring. You want to be engaged with your business at a fundamental level. And what's more fundamental than things that make you happy? Step 3, list consistently. I have found this change to be one of the most impactful when it comes to getting your listings in front of more eyeballs. Other than sell-through rate, of course, sell-through rate is still king. Here's how you do it. You will make a daily listing goal that changes for no one and for nothing and will last until December 31st of this year. A good goal to have is 10 items listed per day. Not too difficult, but not too easy to accomplish. You will choose a time of day to list these 10 items, the same time every day without fail. And let me say something that most people won't tell you about the excuses made when it comes to listing.
I know where this is going. Straight through the heart.
You're tired? No one cares. Hit your goal. You have a headache? No one cares. Hit your goal. You're feeling sick? No one cares. Hit your goal. You have a date? No one cares. Hit your goal. You have people coming over? No one cares. Hit your goal. Today is a holiday like Thanksgiving? No one cares. Hit your goal. After you set your goals, you must accomplish them like you said you would. Because if you don't, no one cares. But you should. And if you're thinking, Damien, life happens. I get it. But instead of making excuses, make drafts. You can always work ahead of time to prepare for emergencies. And why do you do this? Because no one cares. No one cares about what is going on with you. The customers sure don't. All they see is listings they want to buy. eBay sure doesn't, because they want you to sell more so that they can get paid. The people that are counting on you to be successful still need you to be the best you can be, and no one cares how you get there. You just need to get there. Say goodbye to those excuses and do what it takes at all costs.
Fucking tough, but true.
Hey, only I may cuss. Step 4, choose an average dollar sales goal. You will choose an ADS that is average for your category. Once you get better and better, this will change. Let's choose 25 for today. This number is for the total sales price of an item excluding shipping, taxes, and anything else tacked on. I chose 25 because you can reasonably find items across the entire country that can sell at this price point, especially in the most popular category for resellers, apparel. Step 5, optimize listings for maximum visibility. Well-optimized listings increase chances of sales by ensuring products are seen by the right buyers. I have a video on the basics, but here's a quick recap.
Yeah, we have the video linked below.
Write great title descriptions using the template found in the video I linked below. Use clear, high-quality photos from multiple angles and make sure to show any defects up front. Price competitively by checking current listings and sold prices. Come back on a weekly or monthly basis to update pricing as necessary. Or adopt a Dutch auction style pricing, which means lowering the prices each month as you end and sell similar so you can eventually reach the pricing sweet spot. In the same step, you need to choose whether you will offer free shipping, calculated shipping, or flat rate shipping. Whatever you decide, make sure that customer is top priority. Step 6, choose your minimum ROI. I won't go into too much detail, but you have to make a choice of how much money you need to make as a minimum with each sale, taking into account your life goals, your bills, your savings, etc. For example, if you buy something for $10, how much do you expect to get back? A good rule of thumb is double your money or more. That means that after fees, shipping, and materials are taken into account, you need to end up with $20 in your pocket. Step number 7, source quality in-demand products at low cost. Profit margins depend on how cheaply you can source items compared to their selling price. And along with buying low and selling high comes STR or sell-through rate. Remember that. You can buy 1,000 items with a shitty sell-through rate and make very little sales. On the reverse of that, you can buy 100 items with a very high sell-through rate and make money way faster than with those 1,000 shitty ones.
Haven't you done that before?
Yep. That's how I learned what not to do, and that's why I'm sharing this info with you guys, to save everyone watching some grief and money. I can't emphasize enough how important this is. STR is king. A good STR is 50% or higher. 30 to 35% may be acceptable for clothing because there is so much of it, but everything else stick to 50% or higher. This is way tougher than you think. You will be passing on a bunch of items that you would normally pick up, and that's okay. Stick to your guns. Also, take into account quantity sold. If you're using only sold comps on the eBay app, then you're looking at 90 days worth of sales, which means that at bare minimum, your items need to have 30 sold comps. That means that one item sells every 3 days. Preferably higher sold comps, but 30 you can work with. Now, this is how it all comes together.
So this is the plan?
It's all a plan, Bruce. This next piece is a way you implement it. I'm going to show an example on screen so you can see what it will look like. Visit the same places you normally go to search for items, but keep in mind the important new factors you decided on. The categories you chose. Remember, 3 to 5 only, nothing else. List consistently. How many items did you commit to? That's how many you need to find, no matter how long it takes, without wavering on your goals. Your minimum ADS. What is your minimum average sale price per item to get the return you want and be happy? Your minimum ROI. What is the minimum return on investment you are okay with? Finally, your chosen STR. What is your minimum threshold for sell-through rate? Every single time you go outsourcing, you will have to take each of these goals into account. Any product you look at that doesn't fit this criteria must be left behind. No exceptions. None. Having a plan like this will not only change how much you make, but it will also change the way you view business. Now it won't be about rolling the dice. Now it's more of a sure thing. Now you will be able to say, if I spend this money today, I can expect that in X amount of months, I will have made this amount. Run this program starting now until the end of the year and see what results you get. Of course, nothing in this world is guaranteed, but I hope at the very least, I give you the best ammunition to win at the reselling game. Because Resellutions gives you real solutions.
Can I say this next part?
Sure, but only the first part.
That's it, everybody. To continue to support the channel, you can always buy a shirt, a hat, or a logo sticker from the store below.
You can also become part of the Resellutions posse like Drew, our newest member. Thank you very much, Drew. And enjoy perks like member shoutouts, advanced video viewing, bolo callouts, and members only live streams, depending on your level. And it can cost you less than gas station coffee. That's not gas station coffee. As always, give this video a like, share this with anybody that needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss awesome videos like this. See you in the next one. Peace! And today we have coffee. And this idiot decided to sit on my coffee pot. And for those of you wondering, this is my newest Megadeth shirt because I did post shorts on, I think it was like maybe 3 weeks ago that we went to go see Megadeth for my friend's birthday. I bought him a ticket. We went to Germania Theater, and those are the dates from the concert tee. It was an awesome, awesome concert. I loved it. We had a great time. It was me, my good friend Alan, and my cousin Danny from Monterrey, Mexico. It was awesome. To make sure to... Nope. What the f*** is going on with you, Damien? F*** again. This bitch was full when I started recording. Damn. Lots of mistakes today, lots of coffee. Hopefully I can get through this without any more coffee. Let's do this thing. Really, Bruce? The coffee pot? Bájate la chingada.
Where did you want me to sit? You never bought me a chair.
That's my bad.